R.A. Bob Hoover, the greatest stick and rudder man who ever lived. The pilot's pilot, the master of flying the feathered edge of the flight envelope. He is the personification of aviation excellence, an inspiration for generations of military and civilian pilots, and a passionate, dedicated, and respected advocate for the general aviation community during a flying career that has lasted more than 7 decades. Bob Hoover is not only this country's greatest living pilot, he has personally known every other pilot who might have ever claimed that title, including Orville Wright, Eddie Rickenbacker, Charles Lindbergh, Jimmy Doolittle, and Neil Armstrong. Not content to simply be the best himself, Bob has dedicated much of his career to helping others become better pilots. His role as a mentor, his commitment to safety, and his unique ability to draw on personal experiences to make useful points to his fellow aviators are as legendary as his actual flying. Although the honors and awards presented to Bob during his career are literally too numerous to mention here, they have been highlighted by the Distinguished Flying Cross, induction into the National Aviation Hall of Fame, and an honorary doctorate from the U.S. Air Force Test Pilot School. In 2003, Bob's Shrike Commander was put on display at the Smithsonian Institution's Udvar-Hazy Center in Virginia. In 2007, he received the Smithsonian's Air and Space Museum trophy. And now, we would like your help in creating a permanent memorial to honor Bob's legacy and lifelong pursuit of aviation excellence. A new award to be presented each year to a living aviator who exhibits the airmanship, leadership, and passion for flying demonstrated by R.A. Bob Hoover during his distinguished career as a pilot and aviation advocate. A trophy sculpture that will be on permanent display at the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum in Washington, D.C.